Slowly making my way through the semi-open hallway of the Four Seasons Resort Peninsula Papagayo Costa Rica for a morning yoga class, I realize I'm not the only one up well before 6 a.m. on a Saturday. My eyes are drawn to a group of coatis looking for breakfast that emerge from the lush plants near the walkway. Daily wildlife encounters at this lush beachfront resort are part of the experience. At the tip of Costa Rica's Peninsula Papagayo, overlooking the Pacific Ocean, the 198-key property, one of Travel Plus Leisure's newly announced top 500 hotels in the world, is surrounded by tropical dry forest bustling with color and wildlife. Nestled between two calm crescent-shaped bays, guests at Four Seasons Costa Rica have access to a couple of wide sandy beaches in addition to the 3 pools, 5 restaurants, a spa, many family-friendly amenities, and an Arnold Palmer Championship golf course. While the hotel opened in 2004, it received a $35 million facelift at the end of 2017 and another one in 2018, giving the public spaces and guest rooms a new look. This year, the property again closed for renovations and is reopening on November 1st. Now, after a 40-minute ride from Liberia International Airport, travelers are greeted by the courteous staff with chilled coconuts in a spacious open-air lobby and can check in from large, comfortable sofas. When renowned Costa Rican architect Ronald Zurcher was designing the sprawling property, he put his signature naturalist approach to work, ensuring that while impressive in size, the resort was not overwhelming the landscape and, instead, blended with it. As a result, the resort has 5 earth-colored buildings sculpted in sinuous shapes, paying homage to the local flora and fauna, perfectly camouflaging into its lush setting. The biophilic theme continues in the spacious rooms and suites where textures, colors, and materials celebrate Mother Nature in a sophisticated way. Conceived by Meyer Davis Design Studio, the decor incorporates local wood, art sourced from local indigenous communities, and an organic color palette offers an effortless, inviting luxury ambiance. My favorite feature in the guest rooms were the large private balconies and patios separated from the bedrooms via French doors. I left mine open at night. Don't worry, the balconies have mosquito nets, so I could fall asleep and wake up to the soothing sound of crashing waves. For those who'd like to splurge, the resort has 1- and 3-bedroom suites with sweeping ocean or jungle views and private plunge pools. Or if complete privacy and seclusion are at the top of your wish list, rent one of the sprawling Prieta Bay residences that range from 3 to 5 bedrooms and feature private swimming pools and expansive outdoor areas for entertainment and lounging. The resort's newest offering is the spectacular Casa Las Olas, a sprawling 6-bedroom compound with a sunken courtyard and a 150-foot infinity edge pool with 180-degree ocean and bay views. Food is easily one of the highlights of this award-winning resort. While the 6 dining concepts have a distinct theme and aesthetic, they all have one thing in common: locally sourced organic produce, seafood, and meats. Bahia, the hotel's all-day alfresco eatery overlooking the pools and the beach, specializes in grilled fare and was my go-to spot for breakfast. Try the traditional Costa Rican chorreado and the fruit-topped acai bowl. And lunch, where I savored ceviche with mahi-mahi. Sunset hour is best spent with cocktails and light bites at Añejo, an open-air lounge-like space with a nightly DJ and live music. Pesche, the resort's Italian eatery, has a distinct coastal vibe thanks to the many seafood options on the menu, such as yellowtail tuna carpaccio and grilled octopus salad. The resort's newest beachfront restaurant at Virador Beach Club focuses on Mediterranean fare and fresh seafood. Finally, Steakhouse Nameri is located at Peninsula Papagayo's Golf Clubhouse, a short 10-minute golf cart ride from the hotel rooms, and treats patrons to premium dry-aged beef and smoky cocktails. Namar means smoke in the local indigenous language. As a resort that advertises itself as family-friendly, the renovated Kids Club truly stands out. The property's Kids for All Seasons program was designed to educate its youngest guests about the lush environment while keeping them entertained with activities such as hermit crab and treasure hunts on the beach, bird watching, and aquatic games at the kids' pool, lined with cute kid-sized cabanas and sun loungers. Greek architect Polyana Paraskeva just redesigned the Kids Club, where she incorporated plenty of natural materials and pops of color inspired by Peninsula Papagayo's landscapes.